Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we decode the secrets of human behavior to help you live your best life. Today we're diving into a topic I know you love: charisma. Have you ever wondered what makes certain people so magnetic? It's not magic, it's science. We're going to unlock 7 powerful psychological tricks to amplify your charisma. Get ready to ditch those awkward silences and step into your most confident, captivating self. Let's do this! You know that feeling when someone truly understands and values what you have to say? That's the magic of active listening. Think about it. Have you ever been in a conversation where the other person is just waiting for their turn to talk? It's a charisma killer. Charismatic people flip the script. They're fully present, making the other person feel like they're the only one in the room. How do they do it? It's all about sending nonverbal cues that scream, "I'm here with you." Nodding, making eye contact, and little verbal affirmations like, "That's so true," or "I totally get it." Reflecting back what you hear, summarize and paraphrase to show you're really digesting their message. Trust me, this level of active listening is like a charisma superpower. Let's talk about body language, the silent language that speaks volumes. You can say all the right things, but if your body is sending out stay-away signals, your charisma will nosedive. Crossed arms, a closed-off posture, constantly checking your phone. These scream, "I'm not interested," or "I'm not approachable." Charismatic people are masters of open body language. They face people directly, their arms are relaxed, and they use gestures to emphasize their points. They make eye contact and lean in slightly when someone's talking, showing they're fully engaged. It's not about being fake or putting on an act. It's about being present and genuinely interested in the people around you. When you're truly engaged, your body language will naturally follow suit. Have you ever noticed you gravitate towards people who are similar to you? This is rooted in a powerful psychological principle called mirroring. Mirroring is about subtly reflecting the other person's behavior, their body language, tone of voice, even their energy level. Remember, the key here is subtlety. You're not mimicking their every move, but creating a sense of harmony and understanding. If they lean in, you lean in slightly. If they speak softly, you lower your volume a touch. This subconscious connection through mirroring is incredibly powerful. It sends a message that you're on the same wavelength, fostering trust and rapport. Use this principle to instantly boost your charisma. Ready for a simple yet incredibly effective charisma hack? It's all about the power of names. Think about it. What's the sweetest sound to your ears? Your own name, right? We're hardwired to respond to our names. So when you use someone's name in conversation, you're instantly grabbing their attention and making them feel valued. Instead of a generic, "It was nice meeting you, try it was a pleasure meeting you" name. Or when reintroducing yourself, say, "Hi, name, it's your name. Great to see you again." Weaving their name naturally into the conversation shows genuine interest in them as an individual. And that, my friends, is pure charisma gold. You know that feeling when someone greets you with a warm, genuine smile? It instantly brightens your day. That's the power of a smile. It's a universal language of kindness and connection. But not all smiles are created equal. A forced, tight-lipped smile can make you seem insincere or untrustworthy. The secret to a charisma-boosting smile lies in authenticity. It's about engaging those pearly whites and the twinkle muscles around your eyes. A genuine smile reaches your eyes, creating crinkles that signal warmth and approachability. Tap into the power of a genuine, heartfelt smile and watch the positive energy it brings to any interaction. From childhood, we're hardwired to connect with stories. Think about your favorite books, movies, or late-night conversations with friends. What do they all have in common? Compelling storytelling. Charismatic people understand the power of a good story. They weave words into captivating narratives that draw people in. You don't need to be a novelist or comedian to tell a great story. Tap into your own experiences and share them in a relatable and engaging way. Use vivid details, paint a picture with your words, and infuse your story with emotion. A well-told story can make you instantly more memorable and magnetic. Charisma isn't about being the most interesting person in the room. It's about being genuinely interested in others. Think about the people you find most charismatic. Are they constantly talking about themselves, or are they genuinely curious about you? Show genuine interest in others by asking thoughtful questions that go beyond small talk. Instead of "What do you do?" Try, "What are you most passionate about in your work?" Listen intently, ask follow-up questions, and understand their world. This genuine curiosity is like a magnet, creating a space where people feel seen, heard, and valued. There you have it. 7 powerful psychological tricks to boost your charisma and make you unforgettable. Remember, charisma isn't about being someone you're not, it's about amplifying your authentic self. Start by practicing 1 or 2 of these techniques today. Pay attention to how people respond and experiment to find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed tips, and share this video with a friend who could use a little extra charisma. Until next time, keep those smiles genuine and those connections strong.